Dr. Hawary, lately there has been a lot of noise about sleep apnea. Basically, most people who snore also have sleep apnea, which basically means they stop breathing throughout the night, sometimes for quite a while, up to a minute or so. They wake up many, many times, up to 20, 30, 50 times an hour, literally. Doesn't have to be that heavy, could be only 5, 10 times. But here's the main problem with it. The medical field has apparently noticed that people who have sleep apnea are tired, exhausted in the afternoon, in the morning, they wake up tired, and they actually, apparently there's more people causing car accidents from sleep apnea than from drunk driving. Pretty bad. In fact, in New Jersey, a guy just wrapped a bus around the ball and killed a few people, and they heavy suspect sleep apnea at fault. So, people who need a pick-me-up in the afternoon, a coffee, a Red Bull, and all that, sometimes they wouldn't need that if they would sleep throughout the night and they don't even know it because they have sleep apnea. Never mind disturbing the spouse with the snoring. What I'm saying here, go ahead and kind of like, tell me what you have experienced there. And here's the thing, dentists apparently are fixing sleep apnea as good as anyone else. They seem to be having the CPAP machine, which is a machine which pumps in not oxygen, but air, normal air, and by doing so gets you breathing. But here's apparently the problem. People are not wearing it. It's too heavy, they have to sleep straight, and they're just tearing it off like there's no tomorrow, which makes the little bit of a mouth guard or whatever it is, which dentists do, being the absolute best solution, even though maybe the machine is better if you wear it. Also more expensive, the machine, of course. But the problem is that they don't wear it. Like somebody, a sports teacher one time asked him, what's the best exercise? And I expected him to say something like swimming or whatever. And he said, Helmut, the best exercise will be the one you do. And that is so true. Do you know what I mean? Because the only exercise I do is skiing because everything else is just so garbage. So what does that mean? I only ski in winter and not there even not so often. What does that mean? I don't exercise too much. And so I gotta find something which I like. Like you like your profession. I like my profession. So we're doing it day in, day out. Anyway, back to sleep apnea. What I said, people being exhausted, tired because of not sleeping, and dentists being able to fix that. Is that all with your agreement? Are you doing that type of work yourself?
Yes, we are. And as you mentioned, there is nothing better than a nice sleep at night that makes you active and energetic in the morning. And with the devices and with the technology and with the, even the snoring devices that we do in dentistry, we don't only fix that, but we fix marriages, because it is sometimes very hard if this is a big problem, and it is easy fixed. And you mentioned that if the appliance is, it doesn't matter anything more than if it's comfortable to wear. And a good lab that fabricates a good device, having the patient come back for adjustment until they are comfortable with that is the key, because it doesn't have to be so fancy. It has to be comfortable and the patient wears it. And I have a very good success with that.
So, would you agree that, you said you're even fixing marriages, so even if a person doesn't have sleep apnea but snores, which however in most cases if a person snores apparently has sleep apnea, but even if he doesn't, the same appliance applies because it makes the person not snoring. It kind of like pushes your jaw a little bit forward, and by doing so the tongue falls in a way where you don't snore and you can toss and turn. It's almost like an Invisalign retainer, an Invisalign orthodontic retainer, where you put it on and you sleep.
Yeah, it's basically, in a nutshell, it's a device to clear the airway. So it allows the jaw to move forward a little bit and clear the airway so the patient can breathe better and snore less.
And by doing so, they sleep because, sleeping is, more and more studies come out where people in our society, we don't sleep enough. We're stressed, we work late, we have television and we have to go, if you live in a city like LA, New York, anywhere for that much probably, you have to get up hours before to get to work because the ride alone takes you hours. So people sleep not enough. And it has a lot to do with the overall sanity, with the overall immune system, and with, falling asleep in the afternoon and being tired, exhausted, and needing that extra, whatever it is, that extra cup of coffee day in, day out. And in fact, that sugar rush, that all of a sudden they're tired, exhausted, so a donut, a chocolate, even a store-bought orange juice, which has lots of sugar in it, all that stuff, a Coca-Cola, it all adds to it that they need and want it more because they're so tired. So for all purpose, having sleep apnea is a major health problem. And we're back to a dentist who can fix looking good, because not just from smiling well, but from getting a caved-in face, because you can prevent the bones from shrinking. So you're a cosmetic surgeon. You can fix headaches and shoulder pain because of the jaws and the teeth are not aligned correctly. And now you even can fix sleeping, and you're a marriage counselor, because by not snoring, people stay married. I mean, anything you dentists don't do.
Anything that the dentists don't do?
Yeah, anything you guys don't do, you know what I mean? Yeah?
You see, I'm not aware of it yet.
All right. I'll bring, next time my car is broken, I'll bring that to you too, okay? Anyway, seems to be like a wonderful thing. Does it take a long time to get that job done? Or is it like a fast visit at the dentist?
It's a lab-involved procedure, so it has to go to the lab after taking impressions and doing that. It may need a couple of adjustments until the patient is very comfortable as well, but it's not a very long procedure, no.
Not a long, and not a bloody one, no surgery or something involved?
Not at all. Not at all.
Thank you very much.